I'm going to ask you to go to developer.allprowebtools.com. All right, and it looks like you've created an account.
Yeah, I haven't gotten an email yet to validate it, but yep.
It should be there. There you go. All right. So the Developer Toolkit is free to sign up for, and you get your first installation of AllProWebTools free for 90 days. And if after that 90 days you've signed up 3 customers, then that first installation you've created will be free as long as you have 3 people in your Developer Toolkit. So if you're looking at the Developer Toolkit here, right on the right it says number of clients is 0.
Yep.
So that's always going to let you know how many people are in your toolkit. So if you want to create a new installation for one of your customers or even yourself, you would go up to the top where it says My Clients.
Okay.
And you'll see a button there that says New Client. So if you click that, most of this information here is just for your own records. The only thing that we need for you to create a new install is to type in the company name. So it's right below. So you can put your own company name in there. We're going to create an install just for you. And then where it says Select Platform, you'll want to put AllProWebTools. And you'll also notice where it says Who to Charge First. This lets us know if you want us to charge your client directly to their credit card, or if you want us to bill you for each of your clients, and then you can rebill them whatever rate that you want for accessing AllProWebTools. Does that make sense?
I see. Yeah. Yep.
So right now it doesn't matter what you set it to because this install is going to be free anyway. And then you can click Add Client at the bottom. All right, so now you've got your new company there, and you'll see where it says Login. There's a button that says Deploy.
Yep.
So you'll need to deploy an installation, and it takes about 2 minutes for an installation to be deployed. So right here where it says Install To, what we do is we give you a mock-up location, so it's a sandbox area where you can play with it without it being actually live. Once you get it the way you like it, you can push a button and get the IP address to set your DNS-A record to, and then you'll be live. So for now, you can give it any name you want, and it's going to be located at greatmockup.com.
Okay.
So now it's going to install. It's going to take about 2 minutes to create that installation. Once that installation is there, that deploy button will change into a login button, which will allow you to get in as the administrator and have full access to all the features and functionality. From there, you can create additional users. So if you're doing this for one of your customers, you would have the admin access through your toolkit, and you would be able to create a user for them that would give them the access to log in and add customers or make changes to their website.
Okay. So I see, like, oh man, I forgot. There was a lady just yesterday that I saw was using AllProWebTools. It's great when they don't have a site to be able to build and use this as a site. But when they just want to use the CRM system anymore, the marketing, do you still have to create this installation?
You do. That's what they're going to log into to access the tool.
Okay.
But they don't have to use it for their website. It's not required. But we do include a free website with any installation, so they'd actually save money by using us for a host. So right there where it says login, you can go ahead and click that login button, and that's going to take you into the control panel.
So originally, though, when I want to sign into AllProWebTools, do I go to developer.allprowebtools and sign in as I did here?
Yeah, you can sign in here as a developer. And you mentioned your intern. So if you go back to the developer.allprowebtools, right up at the top it says My Account. So you'll notice here, this is your list of users on the top left. And so you're the only user for the Developer Toolkit. But you could add your intern here, and then they would have their own login to your Developer Toolkit. And what that means is that if they ever leave the company, you can simply disable this one login, and now they can't log into all your customers. Because remember, you just clicked login to get into that new install. You don't have a password. You don't have something to remember to get into all of your customers' different accounts. You just have this one login to the Developer Toolkit.
Okay.
So we can go back to the new install you just created. So from here you have unlimited access to all of the tools and features offered by AllProWebTools. It's about a $250 value worth of tools that you're getting at no charge.
Awesome.
So from here you've got your
CRM. So if I set this up for another business, then it's, you know, like I put an EDC at greatmockup.com. Is there a login?
Yes. So to set up your very first user, you can go down on the left to where it says Settings, and then click Users. And you'll notice here there are no users loaded into the system. You logged into the Developer Toolkit as an admin, but nobody else can log in right now. So if you want to create a new user, just click that button at the top. Do you have another email address that's not what we use for your Developer Toolkit so we can demonstrate this?
Yeah.
Okay. So you can put in any kind of username there that you want. And down at the very bottom, that's where the email is going to send a welcome email to that brand new user and say, hey, you now have access to an AllProWebTools. Here's what you click to get in. So if you want to go check that email account now, you should have that email. And that's how you invite a new user into the system.
So a user here could be anyone from a subcontractor to, I would want the intern to have the actual clearance, but this could be like an subcontractors?
This user system would be for employees of the company that you're setting up. So if this is one of your customers, this would be like the partners in the company and all of their employees. For you, for your interns and your subcontractors, they should be going through your Developer Toolkit.
I see. Okay. Noted.
But if you want to go check your email, you should have that welcome email that'll log you in to that install at Great Mockup. There it is.
Yep.
So that's going to invite your new user to click on that control panel link, and you notice that takes them to greatmockup.com, and then it's going to ask them for the password.
Very good. Awesome. Well, I'm excited to get started. If I have any other questions, I'll either sit in on the webinars or feel free to give support a call. You had said also I can visit the search, and there was also... It's
on the right under your company name. It says Help. There you go. So that'll slide in the help system with the videos that'll explain how to use each page.
Cool. All right, well, so then you had said I can go to actually WordPress and download the AllProWebTools plugin on the sites, and
correct.
Am I plugging in an API there to
You got
email?
It. Absolutely.
Cool.
So go to Settings on this page. So this is how you would connect a WordPress plugin to this specific installation. And then go to Mobile App. And right there is your API key and your authorization key. So the plugin is going to ask you to either create a new account, or it's going to ask you to plug in these keys. Now, if you create a new account from the plugin, that person's not going to be in your toolkit, so you're not going to get credit for them. So it's better that you do it this way. Create an install in your toolkit, and then use these API keys to activate their plugin.
Got it. Beautiful. Meanwhile, I got a few people I'm introducing this to, and I'll get them on board.